Hey guys, this is Simon with Trade and Perform Coaching. This is how you get a hold of me if you are looking for me or have any questions. Well, I was not prepared, but I'm going to get prepared here real quick. This is how you get a hold of me. So I'm just going to run through today's trades. This is on a 15 tick Renko on NQ, and I'm going to show you something very simple that would make it very easy for you to keep up with the trades. There's a lot of ways to do this trading, right? And a lot of signals. So I'm going to show you long only, right? Long only. And what I'm going to look for, here's the requirements. I'll name some exceptions as I go through the trade, but what we're looking for is a purple bar like this, okay? And then it has to be within the last two bars in the column down. So purple bar, and then I either need a star. The star is the entry. If I don't have a star, I can have a blue dot. That would look like this. And if I don't have a blue dot, I am looking for a arrow up. And I'm just going to go through the whole day long. I'm going to put a green arrow by the profitable ones, and I'm going to put a red arrow. And I'm going to define profitable as at least two positive bars up before the either one or two bar combo gets stopped out. So here we go. This is from today, right? So I'm going to go through. This is candidate number one, purple bar. Your entry's on the star. It's clearly profitable. That's about 15 to 20 points. So we're going to mark that color green. This is not a trade, and it needs to be in the fourth channel. I'm not taking them up here. So the fourth channel means it touches this blue column down here. So purple bar, entries here, clearly profitable. Trade number two, color green. Purple bar. Blue dot up is just as fine. So your entry would be here, clearly profitable. So that's trade number three. Color. All of this, none of this is delayed. It shows up in real time. It doesn't print and unprint um, as you're coming down. This is not a trade. I would not take it just on the triangle. Purple bar, star with blue dot, profitable. That's trade number four. It's 8:49 in the morning. And I'll grant you, the morning trade, the first 30 minutes in this market, it's actually been the best, but it can be challenging. So here's your purple bar. Here's your arrow up. Here's your stop. And clearly profitable. It's trade number five. And some of these, by the way, move too fast to be able to be gotten. Okay, so this is a little bit different situation. If you get a blue dot down like this and then star up, that's a long. That's trade number six. Guys, and I'm speaking to members in the room, I'm trying to make it easy for you to find the trade, right? So again, here, let me delete these. This is from an earlier coaching session. Purple bar, I would not take this. I would take this blue dot. I'm long on the arrow up, right? I almost get stopped, but it survives and clearly goes to profit. That is trade, I forget now, but that gets a green arrow. It's a bunch of them now. Okay, so remember, I got to get to the fourth channel down here. So as I'm coming into the low, nothing over here, nothing over here. Blue dot, red arrow up, clearly profitable. I think that's trade seven, but I'm not sure. And then again, this touched, purple bar, long on the star. So that's trade number eight. And then into the end of the day, this is a stop. I mean, I don't think anyone would have taken the profits here. So this trade stopped, and that's the last hour. And then this trade obviously profitable. And that was the end of the day. I guess, well, and this is Asia now, so obviously no one's going to take that. So another very simple way to look for your trade setups. And guys, so in the room, so separate note. Once we go, the supernova was kind of jacked today, but if you look at the supernova, this didn't go supernova till we went supernova over here. So now, once you go supernova, you can take purple bar and then arrow up just as a sidebar, right? They're still harder. It was hard for the longs unless you were right off the bottom today. But anyways, that's the way it works. If you have any questions, let me know. This is how you get a hold of me. Just so no one's shocked, the membership to the room to be a part of the team is $300 a month. And again, this is how you get, if I can find it. There we go. That is how you get a hold of me. Tradingperform@gmail.com. Okay, guys, have a good night. I am super tired.